What's up everyone, how's it going today? Now what we're going to be doing in today's episode is I'm going to be showing you a way to bypass Madden's 500 down requirement, which is usually needed to see what a new rookie's development trait is. I'm going to be showing you a way to identify which players are X factors without playing a single game. Now this will save you a ton of time and is by far the best way to identify which players are an X factor without having to play any preseason or any regular season games. Now this will save you probably at least 6 to 8 games in your regular season by not having to play any of them and seeing who has an X factor right out of the draft. So just in case you're unfamiliar with the new development trait system that they have, here you can see a superstar X factor, which is one step above a superstar, which is identified by the red X. So when someone has this ability, they're given a zone ability, which there are 50 types, I believe, or there's 50 players with these types native in the game, and they have a wide variety of things such as perfect accuracy when throwing high or low for quarterbacks, max security in this case, double move, stuff like that. So they're super overpowered once you get in the zone with them, and also it comes with secondary abilities. Now these abilities can be given to anyone with a superstar or above, so either a superstar X factor has these or just a plain superstar. So these abilities are also really great and allow you to have a lot more versatility with your team. Now obviously these abilities you want on anyone and only certain people can get them. So this method can be used to identify who's going to be able to get these abilities and who's not, and it saves you a ton of time and allows you to trade for rookies that that other teams have that have these abilities or the ability to earn these over time. Now what I've gone ahead and done is edited the draft class so the top player that you can see has a X Factor superstar, the one below has a superstar, star, and then normal. Now normal you can see right away, so once you draft them and once you get to your depth chart, you can see that they have a normal ability. However, the other three are all hidden. Now if you can identify who is an X Factor, you don't have to waste time trying to identify which players, if you draft two position players, such as two cornerbacks, which one has an X factor and which one is just a normal superstar. Clearly an X factor is far superior, so you're going to want to save time and just play with him. Now setting up this glitch is by far the easiest part. All you have to do is go to the trade center and set up a trade with your players that you're wondering. So in this case we have our number one pick, Baptiste, Dillard, and then Montague, which goes 1, 2, 3. And Baptiste has the X Factor ability, and you can clearly see that in the top right corner of his name. So without playing a single down, you can identify that he is an X Factor. And by doing this, you don't want to actually do this trade, but you can see the little icon in the top right corner, and it doesn't matter because all the players show that they have a decent development trait, so you aren't going to be able to differentiate between star and superstar. However, you will always be able to identify who's an X Factor. And also this method can be used to identify players that other teams have drafted that may be superstar X Factors. So what I've done is I've traded away our X Factor to the Jets, and as you can see the icon is still there in the trade menu. So this can be used to see which players you may have passed up and which players you might want to trade for that have this ability. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe down below for more Madden content. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.